Welcome to another edition of Damn TV with Damn Sam.
So we're a few, an hour or so on, and I've rattled it on and bricked it up. So I ran out of blocks, so I had to make do with what we're in garden. A couple of bricks what come out of here, but it's going to get covered up with membrane eventually. So right, so we've cleaned it out. Ready for plumber tomorrow. So. This is just a quicker pan round. Let's see it. Like I said before, get some pay gravel. I'm gonna have to top these up, and then there's gonna be membrane goes down. Membrane goes down on floor, and then there'll be decisions made at a later date. What they want to do. Like my recommendations will be just pour a slab straight in. We've got these jetting eyes, so system's maintainable. You've got your pumps in. It's just going to be restricted with height, so you've got 100 mil screed to go on. Probably might be a bit deeper there. 100 mil screed to go on, and then they can choose membrane on wall, some insulation, studded out, boarded and skimmed, but it'll be dry. We're going to stick a fan in tomorrow. That's electricians coming to put a continuous running fan in that corner. But I mean, they've got there's plenty of air bricks in anyway. I'm going to leap air bricks in, also going to leap fan in. Recommendations for airflow in the cellar is just ridiculous. You'd need a window as big as that open for air to change. That's for regulations, and it's just not achievable. And that's in case somebody paints room. Once it's done out, if they paint room, there's a certain amount of time that you've got before them fumes go out of building, and without a massive window, it's not achievable. So you need some kind of mechanical ventilation that's like awesome, like an aircraft hangar. So that's a bit of grey area for basements, but yeah, we've cracked on. It's been quite hard work, digging and all that sort of stuff. But it's nearly done now, and I'll be able to be off with like rest here, because we've had to get this in case make sure the pump we're in case any water comes in. And they get the source of moisture, so we wanted to get this drainage in before we had time off for coronavirus. So that's me now done. Well, after tomorrow, after the electrician's been and wired everything up. I'm just going to put a plug on this first pump, just make sure there's something working. Get a test and then just see how we go. So that's Damp Sam signing off. Hope you all stay safe. Please share and subscribe. Yeah, see you later. Hello, how are you doing? Happy Thursday. Hope you're all safe and well. Hope you're all keeping indoors and doing as government tells you. Got this job finished as far as what we can go for today and for this week and until further notice. So what we've done is we've took old floor up, put a drainage system in, all the way around, installed double installed a sump and double pump. Put it up, put them on plugs for now. What we've got to do next is, when lady decides what she's going to do, is to pump some a screed in, 100mm screed. So she's got a floor on top of this, and then she can store items. What she'll do then is she'll decide on when they get funds is put in a membrane system up walls and then replastering. Like I said, they've been restricted with head height, but all they're wanting to do is some storage down here, some dry storage. So we've just fitted fan, continuous running fan. When they do decide to have further works done, these let to be altered. We've got a pump, alarm, battery backup, and it's up there, top of the stairs, waiting to be fitted. But we're going to have to set and fix that because battery backup's that heavy. When they come to screen it, I mean, to mess about moving it and that, we've done it on another job and it's just not worth it. So there's no in here that's going to get spoiled if electric trips and pump don't work. But to be fair, there's no water coming at this minute, so we've put water in to test pumps, but there's no water coming in at the minute. I think what it is when there's mega heavy rainfall, there's a bit comes in. So we've dug channels fairly deep down, so they'll fill up first, and then once water gets into perimeter drainage, what we've put in, it'll run round and then empty into chamber once they're filled, and then pump will kick in and take it outside. So it's been not a bad job, but under trying circumstances, because we're under coronavirus sanctions. So luckily we've had to keep working. No apprentice, so what we've asked the apprentice what he wanted to do. He could either keep working or if he didn't feel comfortable, he can sit at home and wait it out, and he's chose to do that. But we're still available for work. I'm still available. It looks like I'll be doing surveys and reports. I've got a couple to do next week. Surveys, damp and timber reports. So that's it, I think, till next video. It might be a while, but I'll have to put some of my old ones up. So from all dry damp proofing, I hope everything's going to go okay for you. You're going to get through it all right without it costing you a lot of money. Watch a few other videos and check your house for damp and see if there's out on videos. All right, take care, bye bye.